thought I'd make a quick video on this catch can that I installed, and just sort of evidence to see if it really works or not, because some people say it's absolute rubbish and catch cans are just a money-making thing and they're not really worth it, blah blah blah. So this video really is gonna prove why catch cans are so important. And if you watched my previous video a couple of months ago when I installed this Saikou Michi catch can, I have not emptied it at all since I installed it. I noticed on my pipe, you know, there's a little pipe on the side that you can actually see. It's starting to rain actually. There's a little pipe where it's a sort of indicator to see how full the catch can is. So it was like about a third the way up. So I thought, okay, let me drain the thing and just see what comes out of it. Now previously, I must admit, I used a rubbish catch can and all I really got out of it was just like water, nothing else. So here's evidence for you that they really do work. I've just finished draining my catch can. You can actually see my little container that I've cut the top off, or the bottom rather, should I say. And let's just see what's in there, yeah? Because now that that's empty, oh, a bit has dripped there. Can you see that? Look, it's still dripping, even though I've tightened it up. I mean, look at that. What the hell? Look at how much oil. Look at it. That's terrible. So yeah, so for the people who think these things don't work, well, this Saikou Michi one in particular is excellent. I mean, look at the top of it even. This is really bad, man. So yeah, all that, you know, had I didn't, you know, install this thing, all that would have just gone straight through the turbo. So all that blow by is, you know, eliminated, or at least 80-90% of that oil blow by through the turbo is eliminated. Jesus, I can't believe it, man. Look at that. Really can't believe that. Jeez, man. God. So yeah, guys, thought I'd do that, show you guys some evidence. So yeah, get a catch can installed on your car, because they do work. You know, they really do. Thanks for watching again, guys, and see you again soon. Cheers. Bye.